Jingle bells.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is.
Part 5. Are you ready? It's the last part of the song. We're gonna do the whole thing. How has it been? Have you enjoyed Jingle Bells? You gotta leave some comments and tell me. Smiley faces usually mean good. Frowny faces usually mean bad. Let's try the whole song. Okay, we're gonna start from line 1. Here's how it goes, just to kind of remind you how it sounds in case you've never heard the song. It's not a very well-known song. It's not very popular. Most people have never heard it before. Just kidding, it's like one of the most famous songs in the history of the world. But anyway, let's get started. Here we go. Measure 1. If you want to try to play along, I'll try to go nice and slow, but that might be kind of tricky. So just watch and then play it on your own. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, 3, A string, 3, 3, 3, still on the A string, 3, O, O, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. And then we're on line 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, quick, 3. Now we're on the green notes. 3, 1, 0, and then line 3 is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, O, O, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. Line 4 still in the red. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, O, O, 4, 3, 1, or O, 2, 3, 4. Done! And that's all of Jingle Bells. Give it some practice. It's a lot. It's a kind of a long song. We got a lot of different notes. Just take it slowly. Go at the speed of learning, at the speed of thinking. Don't go any faster. And then when it starts to feel easy, go faster and faster and faster, and it makes it more exciting. And congratulations, you made it through all 5 days of Jingle Bells. Give yourself a round of applause. Bravo, good job.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Oh,
Was that pretty good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody, great job. That's a wrap. Nice work. Real solid.